Hello everyone, welcome to the Bioculture channel. My name is Anwar Ibayev. I'm a biology tutor, Olympiad coach and a winner of many competitions from national to international levels. In general, this channel was created with one clear goal: to share knowledge, skills and experience in an accessible form, where your social status and origin isn't at all a key factor for their development. And so when you subscribe to my channel, you will learn to understand the whole essence of biology, and you will be able to pass any exam, for example SAT, IGCSE, UNT, etc. Also, you will gain very important skills without which you cannot do in our time. For example, correctly allocate time, prioritize the tasks, work or study productively, and use different digital platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom, Jamboard, etc. Every Tuesday and Friday I will upload a video for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. That's all. Всем большой рахмет.